Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Wallet and tapping your Apple Card. This immediately shows your current balance and due date, so you know what to pay. Once done, choose the payment type, statement balance, last month or custom amount, and link a bank or debit card if not already set. Make sure to verify routing and account numbers when adding a bank account. This avoids delays or return transfers, which can trigger fees and interest if the payment misses the due date. Now tap Pay or make a payment and you'll see options for the amount and payment method. Pick what matches your plan. If you select bank transfer, allow 3 business days for processing, whereas debit card payments are faster but sometimes capped. Once selected, set the payment date, today or schedule it, then confirm. Make sure to check the confirmation screen if you want automatic coverage. Enable recurring payments to avoid missed due dates and to keep interest from accumulating over the billing cycle. Complete the process by saving the confirmation number and checking Wallet for the payment receipt. This proves the transaction and updates your balance. If the payment is pending, give it 3 business days, then recheck the transaction history. Do not panic immediately. If something goes wrong, first confirm that you entered the correct routing and account numbers, then cancel and retry or contact Apple Card support. This resolves most issues without escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.